Maintaining a clean and controlled work environment during renovations can be a challenge. Introducing the MagnaHold Containment Barrier System. Fast, easy, and secure. Dust and debris can significantly impact project timelines and client satisfaction. MagnaHold uses powerful magnets to create a secure barrier around your work zone. MagnaHold sets up in minutes, so you can spend less time prepping and more time getting the job done. Place the poles along the perimeter of your designated work area, typically spaced every 8–10 feet for stability. The MagnaHold system comes with versatile features and can handle multiple applications. Get creative. The magnetic system allows you to use the T-grid without a pole or set up a barrier with only one person. The included 12-foot extension pole provides easy access to high ceilings, while the heavy-duty base ensures stability throughout the project. Our complete multi-use plate attachment offers secure attachment to both ferrous and non-ferrous surfaces, making it ideal for a variety of construction environments. Just set up the plate attachment, extension pole, and apply it to your work zone. Tired of tripping over tangled cords? Worried about potential safety hazards in your work site? The magnetic T-cord holder is the simple solution to a big problem. This powerful magnetic holder keeps your cords organized and off the floor, preventing accidental trips and electrical hazards. Promote a safer and more efficient work environment. Ready for a revolutionary dust barrier containment system? Order your system today at HEPAcontrol.com.